We're here to talk about inflammation and how it affects your health, your skin, your happiness, and your internal health, basically. Inflammation is the cause of all disease and aging. And so we're coming off the holidays, whether it be the end of the year holidays or whatever holidays where we are busy having a good time and we overeat, we eat too much, we eat the foods that genetically do not agree with us, and we're eating things that inflame our skin, inflame our guts. And how do we know that those things are inflaming us? Well, first of all, I'm an eat right for your blood type person. And so genetically, those are the things that are more likely to agree with you, number one, and lesser inflame you. That's number one. Number two is less is more. Now, during the holidays, of course, less is not more for any of us. But there are those people who really struggle with their weight, and intermittent fasting is really good for them as well. And that helps decrease their inflammation as well. So if you're not hungry, don't eat or graze. Just have a bite instead of having that whole pastry or that whole plate full of everything that looks so yummy to eat. When we eat things that inflame us, and remember, stress inflames us, okay? So we're all stressed out. We're trying to work. We're trying to get everything done that we need to do during the holidays. That's inflaming us. That stresses us. That inflames your skin. That inflames you internally, which is every organ system in your body. And what does inflammation do? Which is why we so worry about it, is because it's aging us. It's increasing. If you have these conditions, these skin or internal health conditions already, it's making them worse. And so stress, inflammation, whether you're eating your way, drinking your way to inflammation, or you're all stressed out and unhappy, it's inflaming you even more. So if you've got rosacea, it increases it. If you've got acne, it increases it. Eczema, psoriasis, enlarged pores, it increases the risk of getting vitiligo and hyperpigmentation, melasma. It upsets your hormones so that whether you're male or female, you've got more issues with your hormones, which basically upsets your mood, your happiness, your sleep. So inflammation, when we eat the things that don't agree with us, basically they don't digest, they inflame our gut. It's one of the primary causes of inflammation, aging, exacerbating all the things that we already experience or causing us to have skin conditions we don't already have. And that is when we inflame our gut, we get gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, inflammatory bowel syndromes, where sometimes it's constipation and diarrhea, but most importantly, and even if you're a teenager, even if you're in your 20s, what you're doing is increasing aging. Inflammation increases aging, increases brown spots. And so no matter how young you are, you need to be aware, knowledge is power, that everything you do impacts you internally with health, impacts your skin, aging. And so what we're trying to do is slow down and turn back the clock by informing you on what you do your human best to try not to do. So eat more green vegetables, don't eat as much, and then use the exercise, get rid of stress as much as you can, and you're slowing down, turning back the clock, because inflammation is the cause of virtually everything that makes us not be our optimal best. Hope this helps.